Luna Classic continues to rally, up 38% for the day. Time to get focused.
Time to get focused with Focus on Investing.
Welcome to Focus on Investing, where we focus on investing. I am Focus. I am focused on investing. And thank you for focusing and investing your time and attention on this video today. All right, let's start with Luna Classic. You know, if you haven't seen already, we've got a full in-depth review going in on Luna Classic and breaking down its whole history and where it is at the moment. You should see a card popping up on the screen for the full video. But let's look at for today. Today we're looking at Luna Classic, and Luna Classic continues to rally. You know, if you watched our full video, you know like the history of Luna Classic and see why this kind of sudden spurt has kind of taken place. And what you generally find with these kind of stocks are they rally for a bit, and then the news of them rallying gets out. So it gets like a second wave. So if those people who heard about the first wave of rally hear about the second wave of rally and then jump in and then push the stock up even further. And this is what we're seeing here. We're seeing a continued growth in this stock. Now, in our last video that we did, we spoke about these two levels here, which is this 0.0002 level and this 0.003 level. And we spoke about, you know, price hitting these targets, which was the all-time high, which was the high, and then breaking through to the round number and continuing going. And we can see that this actually happened. We can see by the red arrows that we drew that this is where we expect price to go. And price is currently at 0.003498. Remember, crypto markets don't close, so this market is still open. And we can see that if we look at where our line is, our price target is 0.0005. And it looks like we're well on our way to that. If we zoom out, you can see that we're actually trading at all-time highs currently. This is our, you know, this was our previous high, which was from the 30th of May 2022. But currently we're trading at all-time highs. You keep taking me higher and higher. So again, our target is this 0.0054 for this Luna, and I can see this continue to go. As I said, there's nothing but clear space above it, so there is no predetermined resistance levels. There's no pivot levels like we have here as we're trading at all-time highs. So the only thing really to deter this is round numbers, and we've clean broke through this round number of 003. Possibly 004 could be, but I don't predict it to be that strong, with 005 being the next one in line. So I can definitely see price going up to 005. We can see that price, you know, currently the trend filter is green, as we're trading above all of our moving averages, trading well above the 20 simple moving average, the 50 simple moving average. We don't have a 200 simple moving average yet, as we've just about started our 50 simple moving average. So this is looking very good at the moment. We're up 38.39% for the day, 38.4% for the day. And I expect this to continue to grow. So we'll check in on this again tomorrow and see where we're at. All right, our next chart is AMC Entertainment Holdings. We see that current price is $8.88. Price is up 3.5% for the day. And we're just hovering around this 908 kind of area of consolidation. It's kind of acting as a level of support and resistance. And we can see above that, we have a pivot level above and below it acting as a channel. So currently, price was trading in the channel, broke out of the channel, but then it subsequently pulled back and just dipped back down into this channel. Current trend filter is red, and we're trading below all three moving averages. Our next chart is AMC Holdings Inc, AMC Preferred Equity, ticker symbol APE. Current price is $4.97. We can see that price just broke below this kind of channel area, dipped below it, and kind of pull back in. So we can see that we're kind of trying to aim, or price is aiming to trade in between our channel. Nothing really much to say. As I said, this chart is very new, only goes back to the 22nd of August. Trend filter is green, doesn't really mean anything, but we are up 8.28% for the day. Our next chart is Bed Bath & Beyond Inc, ticker symbol BBBY. We just did a full breakdown video of this. You can see this on our channel. Also, the card of this full breakdown video should be popping up on your screen now. Current price is $8.63. We can see that price is just hovering above this channel. This channel is acting as an area of support. So price is currently just bouncing around on top of this channel, waiting for price to, which we expect it to break down and break through into the channel and kind of get stuck in this kind of sideways movement of consolidation. Currently, the 50 simple moving average is acting as a level of support and is coinciding with this kind of area of support that is from the top of these bars here and also these levels over here. Price is down 0.92% for the day. And we're just kind of waiting to see where price goes. I said I'm expecting it to drop down. But again, we've got a full review video of this on our channel. If we look at our next chart is NEO, ticker symbol NIO. Current price is $17.73. We can see that we're currently bouncing around in between this channel. We can see that we're forming, I guess you could call it maybe a double top with a peak here on the 15th of August and a peak here on the 26th of August. But this channel has been quite strong for this chart. We can see that price is just bouncing around. Currently trading below all three moving averages, and we're down 5.64% for the day. Our next chart that we're looking at is Amazon.com, ticker symbol AMZN. Current price is $127.51. We can see that price again is trading in between this channel. We can see that we gapped up over this channel, had a bit of not really a fake out, but just kind of traded over it. Price then tanked, bounced on top of this area of support, turned this area of support into an area of resistance and broke down into this channel. And then currently price is trading in between our $133 number and $125 number. And we see that price is down 0.24% for the day. Just waiting for price to break out of this channel and continue back to our highs. So that we're then looking at the 200 simple moving average as a level of resistance. Our next chart is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Current price is $256.06. We can see that price is just broken down through our area of support and looking to maybe head towards our 250 area of support. We'd expect 250 to be quite a strong area of support, simply because, you know, a lot of these bars have finished at this area of support, creating a strong area of support, and 250 is quite a round number as well. So we're just seeing price breaking down. We've seen with a lot of these US charts, the market went down and tanked for a while and brought a lot of these US charts down with them. So we're just seeing a kind of a decline in a lot of these charts. So we can expect it to probably, you know, looks like it wants to maybe hover around this area of support and resistance, but as it broke through, then the next area of support is this $250.46 area. Trend filter is red as we're going through this a bit of downturn, and we can see that price is trading below all three moving averages. Current price percentage is down 1.67%. Our next chart is Nvidia Corporation, ticker symbol NVDA. Current price is $136.47. We can see that price has broken out of this channel that we had between $192 and $165, broken down below all three of our moving averages and trailed down below. And just we've seen this gap. Price is actually gap down. So whenever you see price gap down, you can see there's a lot of weakness in the market. To the fact that it didn't even go through all of the price points, it just jumped straight down to a lower price point. And as we expected and predicted, you know, price is hovering around this pivot area of $140, and that goes back to this bar here of the 5th of July, just touching possibly its wick at the bottom here. Remember that pivot areas and support and resistance areas are not exact prices, they're actually areas of support and resistance. So we're just hovering at this area at the moment. And if we zoom out, we can see that this is our all-time low, or maybe no, just below that. So it's the low of our most recent time until we're going back to, you know, 2021 area. So we expect this area of support to be quite a strong and significant area of support. Hopefully, we don't see price go back to our all-time lows. Let me see. We do go quite far down, so there is quite a bit of space below us, but it is quite a far distance away. Interesting. So we're probably looking at around here our next area of support, the $1 to $7 area. Hopefully we won't tank that far down, but as I said, as we're just trading at our pivot level of support, there's nothing really stopping it once it passes that to kind of reach down below this level. So let's keep an eye on Nvidia. If you're not familiar with Nvidia, the reason why it's tanking is because of the US sanctions put on it. If you'd like me to do a full in-depth review on Nvidia, then just let me know in the comments and we can get into that. Price is currently down 2.08% for the day. If you guys are enjoying the video, then hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest stock information. As soon as it comes out, you get immediate stock information to know all the opportunities that are available in the market. All right, so move on to our next chart. Our next chart is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Let's make the chart a bit bigger. We can see that current stock price is $270.21. We'll adjust the chart. So we can see that we were trading in between this kind of channel, and we've just broken down out of this channel of consolidation, and then we've hit this 50 simple moving average, and this 50 simple moving average is acted as a level of support, and we seem to have, like, it looks like we want to bounce off of it. So we can see this quite long bar, and the bar is kind of spreading between the 50 simple moving average and the bottom of our channel. So it seems consolidated between the two. Hopefully we will see price bounce up off of this 50 simple moving average and then break back into our channel and then continue on to the upside. Current price percentage is down 2.51%. Our next chart is Apple Inc., ticker symbol AAPL. Current price is $155.81. We can see that price, again, with a lot of these US stocks, they've taken a bit of a dive. They've all gone on quite a good bit of a bullish run. And then because the actual overall market is taking a bit of a tanking, all of these individual stocks are taking a bit of a tanking. So we can see here that this Apple chart has taken a bit of a tanking, but again, still hovering around this 50 simple moving average, as we saw in our last chart. We're kind of stuck in between the 50 simple moving average and the 200 simple moving average currently. We're waiting for this bounce and price to break again above the 200 simple moving average and try and head back towards these all-time high, or this most recent highs, excuse me. Current price percentage is down 1.36%. If we look at our next chart is Healthier Choices Management Corp, ticker symbol HCMC. And if you've seen, we've got a full video on this as well. And you know that we're just monetizing. It's almost like our cheat code. We're monetizing the bounce from entry to price move to our price target. And you can see repeatedly this price is just bounced from one price to another. So if you can get that price, you can use a cheat code and continually monetize this chart. For more details on how to do that, again, check out our full review on HCMC. If you guys would like to support this video, you could, and this channel, you can hit our Cash App, which is #, focus on investing. Our next chart is Cyberlux, another chart that we've got a full review on. Ticker symbol CYBL. Current price is 0.0118. And we can see that price has been bouncing around on our support level of 0.0106. We've got a minor bounce come off of this support level, but we can see that we're stuck between that and our 50 simple moving average. We also see the 20 simple moving average at the same level as well. So we're kind of squeezed in between these two levels. Price is currently in a green trend filter, but most recently it's been red. And this green is just because of this bounce. We've had mostly red, but it's bounced. We can see that price is trying to get above all of these levels of resistance and moving average. And then we can see we've got another level of resistance above at 0.0147. Price is up actually 5.83% for the day. So quite a bit of growth for this chart for the day. So it's looking good for price moving to the upside. Our next chart is a commodity, which is CFDs on US oil, ticker symbol USOIL. Current price is $88.83. Again, we're seeing price bounce again. I guess you could say, is this maybe a triple bottom? We see a 1, 2, 3 bounce off of this level of support of $87.11. So quite a strong level of support for price. So price is just bounced and looking to try and maybe head towards upside. Above us, we have quite a strong pivot level that goes all the way back to the 11th of April 2022. That might act as a level of resistance. We've got also the 20 simple moving average. Is it a strong level of resistance? I'm not sure. It seems to have bounced all above it, and then when it's gone below it, it's bounced below it. So it might act as quite a strong level of resistance. So keep an eye on the 20 simple moving average. And if not, again, we have this level of resistance from the pivot level. Then we have a cross here, what they would call a death cross, which is the simple moving average, crossing below the 200 simple moving average. And that would act as a strong level of resistance. So, we are seeing upward price movement and momentum, but we do have quite a few levels of resistance above it. We can see that oil has been up 2.03% for the day. Look at our next chart, which is a commodity, which is CFDs on gold, ticker symbol GOLD. Current price is $1,709.50. And we can see that price, again, is just kind of trading below this level of resistance of 1721.26. And it's kind of channeled between our low pivot level, where we can see going back to the 21st of July, and our level of resistance of 17221. Price is trying to bounce and recover off of this pivot level. We just have to wait and see if it has enough momentum and steam to break through this level of resistance. Just above it, we have the 50 simple moving average and the 20 simple moving average, and price is down 0.11% for the day. If there's any charts you guys want me to review, you can put it in the comment section and I will do a full in-depth review on this video. But let me know if there's any of these charts. Are you guys involved in any of these charts? Have you got any investment in any of these? And let me know how you're doing. Are you bullish? Are you bearish on these charts? Put it in the comments and let me know. All right, this is our next chart, USDJPY. And if you're a member of the Focus on Investing community, you will know that we highlighted this chart back all the way back in the beginning of July, and we can see how the chart has gone on a great run since then. And if we even look at price is currently 140.587, and we can see that if we look at our readings for, let me move this out of the way. For the last day, we're up. We're only up 0.01, but we're up. For the last day, we're up 0.31%. If we look at our week, we're up 0.32%. And for our month, we're up 1.18%. So you can see there's a massive amount of growth on this chart. Chart is currently trading above all three of our moving averages, above our 50 simple moving average and our 20 simple moving average, and above a lot of our pivot levels, especially this most recent high that we had from the 14th of July. We can see that price is trading above there as well. So as we highlighted, we're expecting price to move into this channel. And this is the profit area or the profit zone that we've kind of highlighted. And as predicted, price has just moved into this area. So if you guys have been paying attention to our videos and you entered into the trade, you'll be in profit right now from this trade. And again, guys, if you go to focusoninvesting.io, there you can get tipped off to all of our premium trades and our premium signals and our entries, where we give you premium stocks to invest in, and you'll get them a lot earlier than we give you on YouTube. We also give you the skills to also be able to analyze stocks for yourselves. And also we have a investment syllabus that will teach you and give you the tools. All of these templates and indicators, we give you access to that on the Focus on Investing platform. So if you want to get ahead of the game and get into those secrets that we can't share on YouTube, then go to focusoninvesting.io. Our next chart that we're looking at is the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, ticker symbol SPY. Current price is $392.24. And we see that price is just broken now below our 50 simple moving average. It looked like it wanted to try and maybe recover. It made a bounce back up to it, but then bounced back down to our new low. We can see that we're trading below all three moving averages, and we're kind of looking at free air going down to this 362 level. So hopefully price has enough momentum to break above this 50 simple moving average and get back into this sort of area between the 20 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average. Currently, price is down 1.05% for the day. Our next chart is Investco QQQ Trust, ticker symbol QQQ. Current price is $295.17. And again, this is similar to our last chart. We can see that price is just broken down below our 50 simple moving average, tried to make a bit of recovery, but seemed to bounce off the 50 simple moving average. Again, free air down to our pivot that goes back to the 16th of June around the 269 area. And again, we want to see price break above our 50 simple moving average and break back into this kind of consolidation channel that it had. Price is down 1.41% for the day. Our next chart is the SPDR Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF, ticker symbol DIA. Current price is $313.76. Again, very similar story with all of these American charts or these US charts. We can see that price went on a good run, broke down below the 50 simple moving average, tried to make a recovery, bounced off, and now we just got waiting for the recovery from free air down to the bottom of 296 and also to break through into this channel here. Price is down again 1.04% for the day. Our next chart is ARK Innovation ETF, ticker symbol ARKK. Current price is $40.59. We can see that price is just broken down below. We've got quite a few areas of support here. We've seen prices broken down through our first area of support, and it seems to be just hovering around our next area of support around the, I think it's the 3978 level. We can see that we've broken out of this channel here, broken down below our 50 simple moving average. We're just kind of stuck between these areas of support and resistance at the moment. A lot of sideways movement that's been happening since, I guess you could say since the 5th of May. We can kind of see that price is down 2.71% for the day. Our next chart that we're looking at is Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC USD. And this is the Bitcoin against the US dollar from Coinbase chart. Current price is 19728.22. And we can see that currently price is just trickling sideways, slowly going sideways in between our two areas of support and resistance, which is 2146 and also 19728. And price is not really being decisive. Very small bars, one after the other, not really wanting to move in any particular direction. We can see that if we go down, we've got this area of support and also this long pivot level going back to 18th of June. And then we can also, if we look up above, we've got this area of resistance and also these moving averages. We're also trading below our 200 simple moving average with this area of resistance. If we look at price movement for the day, we're down 1.37%. Our next chart is Ethereum against the US dollar from Coinbase, ticker symbol ETHUSD. Current price is 1593.74. Market is still open, so you'll see price continually changing. Again, we're trading in between this channel. This channel seems to be quite strong for Ethereum. We can see that it previously has been trading in between, had a little fake out and then pulled back in between this channel, faked out to the downside and then traded in back into this channel. What is also significant is that the 50 simple moving average is in between this channel as well. So you're going to see, price kind of get stuck. It's going to be hard for price to break out of this channel to the upside. Current price of Ethereum is up 0.95% for the day. Our next chart is Shiba Inu, ticker symbol SHIB USD. And we can see that current price is 0.00012442. And we can see that price, again, is kind of getting consolidated against this 50 simple moving average. It's moving sideways. And again, not much decision in terms of which direction it wants to go in. Maybe it wants to go to the upside. But again, we've got the 50 simple moving average. We've got this pivot level going back to the 20th of July, 2022. And we've got the 20 simple moving average acting as a level of resistance. And we can see that price is down 3.12% for the day. If you guys want to check out more in-depth reviews, you can check out more reviews on our channel. We've got more videos there. And you can also check out the videos that popped up in cards on our site. Also, you can check out this next video coming up. Take care, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.